This is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically update, how to stop Play Store automatically update apps. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If the automatic update feature is enabled on your Play Store, your application get update without being asked, so you may not realize that large volume of data are being downloaded. So how to do it? If you want to disable it, you want to stop Play Store from automatically update your apps. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Play Store. From Play Store, you can go to your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner. You can scroll down. You can choose on settings. From settings, there is an option network preferences. You can select on that. Select on auto update to apps. And actually by default, we'll set to update with limited amount or update all over Wi-Fi or mobile. So Play Store will be automatically update all apps and soon as updates are available that the chart might apply. So if you don't want, you can just choose on don't auto update apps. So from now, Play Store will no longer update your applications automatically on your phone. It's very simple, right? So that is how to stop Play Store update app automatically on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.